Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by horinga.co.in. Today we are going to discuss about Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals stock GNFC. This is the ticker label, and we will go by this ticker label throughout this video from here onwards. GNFC, remember, GNFC means Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals. Okay, that is the name of the stock. Again, this particular stock has been in the news for its price rise, for its spike in the price recently, and today this video we are making. I mean, through this video we are going to do the technical analysis of the stock to identify whether this price rise thing is consistent or not, and whether this is suitable and gives us an opportunity to invest in the stock and get benefited from it or not. That's what we are going to discuss. We are going to see. Okay, whatever you're seeing right now is the monthly chart of GNFC, Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals stock, and I'm using a few indicators here, which I list them for your convenience. And one is RSI, MACD, third one is momentum, fourth one is Darvas, fifth one is moving averages, sixth one is super trend, seventh one is zigzag. Okay, all these indicators I am using on this particular to do the analysis for this particular chart. Okay, if you look at the history of this price history of this GNFC, Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals stock, I see I have a lot of data here. From even if you look from 2013 onwards, actually this particular stock has been sleeping. That's what I can say. It is in a dormant position. Actually, it is like a sleeping giant until recently. Until recently, that means until 2016 March, April kind of thing. Okay, after that, suddenly this giant opened its eyes and started moving up. Okay, and then it has been going on like what since when in 2016 March onwards, it started its journey, upward journey, and it moved up until 2017 May, and after that again it started slowly going down. It is making new lows which are deeper than the previous low, but in this month, I mean October 2017, suddenly a spike. I mean, you can see the spike, this green candle here. You can see the spike. Okay, and this particular green candle, if you had invested here 310 rupees, today it is 472. That means what? 310, 162 rupees spike per one share. Just imagine. Okay, if you had come to know about this particular stock and had invested in this particular stock by this time, actually since 2016 March, that time it was trading at 77 rupees, guys, and today it is 472. Okay, the last 1.5 year you might have minted a lot of money. I'm pretty sure about that. Minted a lot of money, even if 100 shares also. I mean, you see the difference here, 400 rupees difference, 400 nearly 400 rupees difference per share I'm talking about. You might have made a lot of money on this particular stock. Okay, still time is there. We will see whether we can invest in this particular stock right now. Whether the situations are conducive enough for us to invest in this particular stock, whether there are opportunities, whether this trend will continue or not from here onwards, that we are going to see. Okay, now look at the RSI. RSI is already picked up and it is making a, what is you can see that here it already crosses the 80 line, and it's still moving up. Okay, so that's a good sign actually for people who have not invested so far. That this particular thing indicates that there will be the price rise will continue. So it is a sustained price rise spike. Okay, and this is good. Okay, at least for the next coming few months, I can say the price will increase and you can get benefit from this. And now, so this RSI thing is in sync with the price rise here. Okay, next we will look at the MACD. MACD again, see the signal line is on top of the red line, and the signal line is making a see the elevated tip of the MACD, which is more looking in the upward direction. and look at the gap. Look at the gap that is growing here, which indicates the strong strength of the movement. And look at the green color histogram here, which again indicates which is in sync with the price rise here. And that's it. MACD is also in sync with the price rise. RSI is in sync with the price rise. And now look at the momentum. Momentum is literally above the baseline and zero baseline, and completely elevated position, and it is looking in the upward direction. You see the spike. Okay, so momentum is also in sync with the price rise here. So all these indicators support trend, and the stock has already crossed its 50 and 20 also. Okay, crosses already crossed its 20 moving average. So maybe that is the reason. Yeah, exactly. That is the reason. See, after it crossed the 20 moving average, immediately the price rise journey has started. Okay, so this is what I was talking about in my previous videos. Now I got this opportunity to show this as an example. So once a particular stock crosses its 20 moving average, definitely there will be a movement in its price in the upward direction. So here you can clearly see that. So once this particular stock, until it crossed its 20, the stock was just lying down and it was sleeping on the baseline. And after that, once it crossed its 20 moving average line, the upward journey has started, and today it went up by nearly 400%. So this is the kind of stock that we are looking at. This is the kind of pace in the movement, price movement that we are looking at. And today we got this kind of stock is very good, and we are so lucky. GNFC, I think, I mean, the from the overall analysis and based on my experience, I think literally that this stock is going to go up in its price for the next few months. I'm sure. So it is like this is the right time for you, if at all you had not invested in this particular stock, this is the right time for you to invest in this stock right now. Okay, this is the conclusion from TRENDRIDER channel. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, like this video, and then subscribe to this channel. Thank you.